After updating my Sonos app a couple of weeks ago, my Sonos Move and Sonos Roam occasionally disappear from my list. They are not completely disappear, but they are considered as offline on my Sonos equipment list. And this happened randomly. There's no rhyme or reason why these equipments sometimes are online, sometimes are offline and come back online. It's just weird. My solution? I simply open Sonos app, go to the bottom right corner that looks like a sun, that's settings, press that, and then click system, and then find your Move or your Roam, and make sure that the battery savings feature is not turned on. If it is already off, turn it on and turn it back off again. And then exit from Sonos, and everything will be fine and dandy. I have tried this for the last 7 days and it's been stable. I love it. So, if you find this video to be helpful, please leave a comment down below and also click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the bell notification button so that next time I upload a new video, you will be notified.